I, Adriano, offer this sash of goodwill to Raisa Carla Vicky. Being supervisor of this sash, each compliment goods to Carla Anthony with your school with expense. Be a good example to everyone. God bless us with that. I, Raisa Carla Vicky, will have to be accepted the sash of goodwill, and I promise to promote act of goodwill to my fellow classmates as well as with our faculty members and to the whole community of our school. It is fitting now that this act of goodwill should start within me and I should pass it on to my fellow students. The simple gestures of affection and concern are being friendly to all so that no one will feel aloof or being left behind. So let's spread
Kaya may kuya ba yun sa aking little?
The book of knowledge will be passed on to Bianca Harris by Janine something.
Ang pagkain yan.
Hindi ko alam. Book of Knowledge Bible.
I, Janine Vicente, willingly pass this book of knowledge to Bianca Izaras. Take good care of these precious things, for these give you a good light to your path. Good luck and God bless. I, Bianca Sara Izaras, wholeheartedly accept the book of knowledge. As the successor of this title, I promise to use it wisely to my fellow schoolmates as well with our beloved school community.
Sumasayaw yung dalawa.
We must always remember that having knowledge is like having memories that must be treasured.
The son of the son would like the torch of wisdom and subsequently cast on to Justin Bright.
Parang baliktad.
Center of this Church of Wisdom.
Parang
I
baliktad
welcome
sila.
you, John. I pass this church to Yasmin Cebu. I believe he will take care of the church. It will be a role model for the juniors to be a responsible and competitive student for the future.
I, Jasmine Cebu, promise to make the responsible observance of Church of Wisdom with my colleagues, with knowledge and a fair judging and ability to share and understand the differences of every people. Thank you.
Galas 8 na.
The Sacrament overall gives trusted Renica Bernal to Arian St.
I, Nika Bernal, heartfully pass to Arian Senate, the scepter of power that symbolizes strength, and to take care of it and be a good leader to your fellow students. I, Arian Senate, wholeheartedly accept the scepter of power, and I promise that I will use it in good ways. I will be a good leader and good example to my fellow classmates. Thank you.
Just give this a round of applause.
Asan?
Sa maintenance. So, sino-maintenance yan eh.
Being the president is a serious and complicated task. But experiences taught me a lot. We
Tama ka yung
learned and believe that I can do it. Entrustment of this skill since last year is not so easy. Yet I survived because my teachers,
Bidyan mo dyan. Bidyan mo dyan.
especially my advisor, are always there to guide me. Despite of my shortcomings still, you believe that I am capable enough to handle things out. Thank you very much to the two president. My successor handled this case with care, will be the drive your body and be able to use this. Take the road of success, be a leader, and be a good follower too. I would like to call on the leadership, my successor, the junior president.
We call on to now season team to have the acceptance of the key and responsibility.
Pero yung ulo nyo lang, please.
High School Principal, Mrs. Lolita Seguro, High School Registrar, Mrs. Ana Padulara, energetic teachers, my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Indeed, life is full of challenges. One of the challenges I'm about to face is being the new leader of the student. I promise to fulfill my duties and obligations. I promise together with my batch, if not to surpass at this level the achievement of seniors today. Co-juniors, let's turn a new leaf for the betterment and success of our staying MPP. My dear teachers, I have no doubt that it would not have been the success, but it would be without your presence. Please guide us always.
So that was the requestal of the key and acceptance of the key and responsibility to the senior president and the junior president.